Do you want to know the fastest way to improve your IELTS score in all 4 areas? Yes, that's right. You can improve your speaking, writing, listening, and reading score, and it only takes 4 key words. The 4 key words are and, so, but, and because. In this lesson, I will just focus on so. If you want to know why synonyms for linking words are so important, please check out the first video in this series. There, I explain how, at the same time, you can raise your speaking, writing, listening, and reading score. Okay, let's jump into the lesson. First, we have accordingly, not the most common, a little bit more formal. Here's the pronunciation, accordingly, in a way that is suitable or right for the situation. So let's look at an example. Surveys suggest that this is not a popular show. Accordingly, the network will make changes to it. Again, this is a great synonym for so. Okay, it's more academic, it looks much better. He did not complain to the police. Accordingly, the police did not take any action. So as you can see, this is more formal and it's a great synonym for so. We have then again. There's a pronunciation. Then again, work on your pronunciation. Then. And as a result, in the case, also used as a way of joining a statement to an earlier piece of conversation. So let's have a look at the example. Take a break now. Then you won't be so tired later today. And you can see clearly, you could say, so you won't be so tired later today. So again, it's a synonym for so. It's time to start making plans for your future. Then you won't have to worry about money. And again, this is, we used it as a synonym for and earlier. It can also be a synonym for so. Next, we have consequently. Here's the pronunciation, first syllable, consequently. As a result. All the restaurants were closed, and consequently, we had to make dinner at home. Or, she is always friendly and kind, and consequently, she has many friends. Now, this is much better to put it in the middle of two clauses. And again, it's more formal, but you could use it in your speaking. And it very well might come up in an academic reading or listening text. Next, we have thus. Okay, again, pronunciation, the, th, thus. So consequently, with this result, he is not satisfied, thus, we must prepare a new proposal. Or, I'm getting much too heavy, thus I need to start exercising more and eating less. Again, a little bit more formal, but perfectly acceptable to be used in your speaking. Next, we have hence. Okay, pronunciation, hence. That is the reason or explanation for. She just got a pay rise, hence the new car. So you can see, so the new car. So again, it's just explaining why. Next, a better working environment improves people's attitude, and hence productivity also increases. So a little bit more formal, but perfectly fine to use in your speaking as well. Next, we have resulting. And again, here's the pronunciation, resulting, second syllable stress. This one is one of the hardest to use, and you'd need to go, do a specific lesson on this. Okay, so it's occurring or following as the consequence of something. Now, it's hard to use this one well, but here's my examples. I left my radio outside in the rain, and the resulting damage was considerable. And you can see different style here. Talk of a general election resulting in a lot of political uncertainty. So you can see that the words after I use resulting in, okay, and the resulting damage. So this one's hard to use with collocations accurately. You would need to do a specific lesson focused on this one. So this one I actually recommend a little bit avoiding unless you're more confident in your writing or speaking ability. Next we have ergo, very formal. Here's the pronunciation, ergo. A Latin word meaning therefore. I very much doubt you'll hear this word in your, listening or reading text. It's just too formal and too uncommon, but it is a synonym. It will likely be big corporations that benefit. Ergo, the affluent will become even wealthier. Or, there is no sound, ergo, no speed of sound in the vacuum of space. And I tried to use, very formal examples here, but again, this is not one you're expected to use, but in your writing, it would be very helpful. For this reason, pronunciation, for this reason, for this you combine together, for this reason, and with the result, or for that reason. I had to stay up all night working. For this reason, I need to drink a lot of coffee today. And next, the government is in severe debt, and for this reason, public spending has been reduced. Great expression. You could use it speaking, writing, just another great synonym. Next, we have as a result. As a, you would combine together, so as a result. Because of something. Here we go. He worked hard all through high school, and as a result, he will go to a great university. Again, you want to emphasize it in your speaking. I've been trying hard to improve my English. As a result, my IELTS score is 8.5. Just another great expression or synonym for so. You can use it in your speaking and writing. Next, we have because of this. I know it seems like a synonym, but for but here we go. First, pronunciation, because of this, and for this reason, or therefore. Let me show you. I've been working so hard on my IELTS. Because of this, I now have a score of 8.5. And again, you could use the synonym so, I now have. So because and so are quite similar, right? You're showing, what happened as a result. Next, he forgot his passport at the hotel. Because of this, he can't get on the plane. And again, if you said so he can't get on the plane, you can see it's a perfect synonym. Thank you very much for watching. You still have 3 more videos, and, but, and because. And please subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I am trying to become the best IELTS YouTuber, and you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. Plus, there are links that will help you in the information section, and I wish you the best of luck on your next IELTS test.